Let's work through this quadratic functions IBSL practice test. 1a. Factorize x squared plus 2x minus 15. This means factor. So when we have a trinomial with a coefficient of 1, we say this is equals to bracket bracket x times x is x squared. What two numbers multiply to be negative 15 yet add to be positive 2? You can list the factors here. 1, 15, these don't add to be 2. Let's try 3 and 5. 3 and 5 look like they end up being 2. So we're going to choose positive 5, negative 3. Positive 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. Using FOIL, 3x, negative 3x, positive 5x is positive 2x. So this here is the factored form. 1b. Solve this quadratic. So what we have here is, because we factored this, we can easily know what the solution is. When we say solve, we want to set one of the factors to 0. So here, to make this factor here 0, we say that x is equals to negative 5. Because when x is negative 5 plus 5 is 0, and the factor becomes 0. Anything times 0 becomes 0. And for the other solution here, how do we make this factor 0? We set x to be 3. So the solutions are x equals negative 5 and x equals 3. And if we were to sketch this, you can see that this here is the quadratic. We have an x squared. So this is a happy face or a sad face sometimes. And here the value in which it crosses the x-axis is 3. And here the value where it crosses the x-axis again is x equals negative 5. These here are the solutions.